What the fuck? What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Kiran Kumar is here to share my some personal experience trading, what I learned in my 4 year trading experience, and today I'm going to share with you like how multiple times I blown my account and what I learned from this. And today I'm going to share with you my personal secrets, what made me a real trader. Correct? Some of my personal trading rules which I follow every day. I'm going to share with you today, like what made me a successful trading execution trader. That's it. What I'm going to teach you today. How I use my trading strategies and how I trade every day in my daily routine. First of all, you don't need to trade in 3 minute time frame or a 5 minute time frame. These time frames only used for scalping. Don't go for a long position, short position in holding for a long time. I always trade in bigger time frames because bigger time frame have a high level accuracy trading system. Correct. And next thing, some things like if you trading regularly, you will first see so much profits and day by day you start losing. It's a normal situation happening in every new trader. You need to understand what to do and what to don't do. Correct? Some of things like I use my Fibonacci, and you, if you need to see my Fibonacci levels, I will show you. See this, and you also use for your trading. See, this is my levels. And so some things what I use only 3 4 things like first of all I use my 25 moving average, and then second one is 200 moving average, and third thing is I always trade on candlestick patterns. I wait for a break of structure, then I go into that trade. And one normal thing you will see, uh, many people's trading as a earning, no, they don't want to learn or they don't want to give time to this market. I gave so much time, you also, I said you in video, I gave my 4 years continuously to understand that market. I blow my account multiple times. You don't need to do that. You need to trade continuously with a small profits. You need to understand to close your day in green. You don't need to trade 5 to 6 trade per day. If you're trading, then you made first trade loss and second trade in some little profit, you need to close that day. You don't need to trade continuously or do revenge trading in this market. Some of my personal things what I do, and I will show you how to analyze this market. Example, I will show you in is I will go show you a normal analysis, technical analysis. I actually don't do fundamental analysis. I only always trading on technical analysis. Let's go on for our time frame. This was I am correcting my all levels. Like this one is a supply zone. Correct. Second one is this one. It's all our supply zones, and these are demand zones. You see, these are two demand zones like that, and then I will go 1 hour time frame. I always trade in 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, and my execution of trade I always do in 15-minute chart, which helps me a lot. Correct. Example, you see this one trading. You if you are trading in a smaller time frame, you will see multiple time issues like your trade will go wrong or you blow your account. It's always happening. You see this example, you see that zone, this one, and you when market gave that breakout, you will wait for a retest here, and you think you will enter here, then you will go in that trade. It's not going to happen, man. They see this, when it's broke directly and gave the target. What happened? You never book profit in this way. You need to understand logical market. If you're trading in forex, definitely you need to give your so much time. Say this, people who traded in, I will delete all trading levels. You see this was a level. You clearly see this one. What happened? people who put their stop loss at this place, and they even saw trading zones like this. They exit trade at this place, and what happened, they got their stop loss and still no reaction in market to go upper side. Then why are you trading in this way? You need to confirm every single thing before trading. You are actually doing a gambling. It's a gambling, I sure it's a gambling. You need to put, if you want to earn $5, you need to put $2 at risk. Example, you need to take money risk at 1 rupees and you need to earn 2 rupees. It's a simple logic. You don't need to do 1:1 ratio or less profit and high risk. You always need to go in a trade 1:3 or 1:2. It's my trading normal ways how I trade. That's why I am a profitable trader. You see this, if I will go in this trade, I will take this stop loss and I will go for a long 1:3, 1:4 ratios, because this trade is not giving 1:3 ratio, so I will not go in the in that trade. But it's giving 1.2 ratio, then sure I will go in that trade. It's a simple logical fact. Like you are doing gambling, so you need to earn double what you put on the risk. It's a simple logic. And second thing is, see this, it's a zone. Market from upper side consolidate, came down here, and you will trade at this place, and you think you will get your target. Nothing, it's not happening still. It's came so late after breakout this level, and your stop loss is here, but you will wait for that trade. See this, you will not wait for that. You need to wait 3 days to just get 910 pips in USD, but it's also high risk trading. You will not wait too much in that trade. So what I am saying, you always trade in bigger time frames, because bigger time frames have a good accuracy, and even institutions are always trading in bigger time frame. Which, yeah, example, market trend is upper side. You clearly see market trend is fully upper side. You saw a breakout structure at this level. See, it's a breakout structure. You will enter your trade here, put your stop loss here, and you will take your target to this level or at this level. See what happened. You took your trade here, you put your stop loss here, and you will get your target. See, you will get 1 is to 2.5 ratio trade, which is amazing. You put a less risk and you will earn 18,000 pips. It's not a small thing. You need to trade like that way. Don't do gambling in this market. It's not made for all traders who want to earn only. You need to give your too much time to earn this market. So thanks for watching. Let's we will meet in another video. Have a great day.